Want to make extra cash? The internet is your oyster. You can work from anywhere, anytime. It's all about finding the right opportunity. LiveGood is that opportunity. They have great products and a fantastic way to earn. Ready to change your life? Let's dive in. This could be you, working from anywhere with LiveGood. Let's make it happen. LiveGood makes amazing health and wellness products. People love them. They have supplements, coffees, and more. Their products are high quality and affordable. This makes them super popular. People see results and tell their friends. Look at this lineup. Something for everyone. High quality, great prices. Want to sell LiveGood products and make money? Become an affiliate. It's easy and free to join. You get your own special link. Share it with people. When they buy, you earn commission. Sharing is caring, and it makes you money with LiveGood. Join the team. Ready to maximize your LiveGood income? Here's the secret sauce. Use social media. Tell everyone about the products. Share your own results. Be excited and positive. People will be drawn to your energy. Look at that growth. You can do it too. Work hard, be consistent, and watch your income soar.